Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of adding mods to your Aternos Minecraft server, so you can experience a completely custom world with your friends. First, open your web browser, log into your Aternos dashboard, and ensure your server is completely powered off. Look at the left-hand menu and click on Software, because to run mods, you must switch your server from Vanilla to either Forge or Fabric. Select the modding engine you prefer. Choose the exact Minecraft version you want to play on, and click the Install button. Once that is done, you will notice a brand new mods folder has magically appeared in your sidebar menu. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you can search for any mod you want. Click on it and install the exact version that matches your server software. A green checkmark means it is successfully added to the server files. Now, here is the critical part that most players forget. Every single person who joins your server must also manually download those exact same mods and place them into the mods folder on their own computer. Finally, go back to your main server dashboard, hit the big green Start button, and launch your game. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.